Hey guys! Want a super powerful AI model that can do everything, from daily tasks to AI video generations? This AI can do it all. This AI is leading the market and is the best all-rounder there. The AI is called Meta AI. You can access it by going to your search engine and then search for Meta AI. Click on the first link and sign up or log in if you haven't. So this is the main page of the website. You can ask the AI for anything like how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And the AI will give a detailed response. You can ask it to generate images, and it can do it for you. You can also ask it to generate videos. This allows you to make great AI videos that can get you millions of views by the use of bulk video generation. If you want to do that, click on the link down in the description. This AI is totally free, and unlike ChatGPT, the limit doesn't end after a short chat. You can also use this AI for coding purposes and homework. If you want in-depth answers, then you can click on this drop-down list and then click on Thinking. Now the AI will think for a while and then respond. Meta AI is 100% free. You can literally spend days, but will not find any pricing plans. You get all for free. You can also check out what people created using the Vibes section. Here you can see the results from many prompts. It is like the shorts of AI. The features and the reliability of Meta AI never ends. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content.